Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see about has been, have been, and had been. Let's start with has been. What is has been? Some actions or situations, something that started before and still continuing now. For example, he has been walking. He started walking before and still walking. You can also say he has been walking since 9 o'clock. So, this is the base. An action was started and still it continues. So let's look where you have to use has been. He, she, it, singular nouns and uncountable nouns go with has been. She has been, it has been, the cat has been, the water has been. For example, Sheila has been running, the cat has been chasing the rat, the table has been shaking, she has been singing. So all the above actions are still happening, not ended. I hope you all get the clear picture. So let's move to the have been. Here also the same concept, an action that started before and still it continues. But the usage of have been will differ. So let's look where you have to use have been. I, you, we, they and plural nouns go with have been. I have been, they have been, the cats have been, the children have been. For example, they have been sitting, we have been dancing, the elephants have been running, the trees have been growing. Okay, now let's move to the had been. It is used for past, an action or situation that started and also ended. It finished. In that kind of cases, you can use had been. So where you have to use had been, it is much easier. All of the subjects can go with had been. I had been, she had been, the people had been, it had been. For example, he had been working in the factory. It is past tense. He worked before, not now. The second one, they had been running in the morning. The third one, the horse had been running in the morning.
So above accents are finished. So we are using had been. Clear? So that's all. Today's lessons are over.
Any doubts, just ask in the comment box. I'll clear you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.